Sommer's new SP900 is a breakthrough in engineering and style. Its sophisticated drive mechanism is fully enclosed in the pillar for a modern, streamlined look. In every way, it is beautifully engineered. The SP900 opens or closes your gate with absolute precision. Its intelligent control system learns the exact forces required and instantly recalculates for changing conditions. It is so sensitive to feedback from its drive mechanism, there is no need for an active safety barrier. The 24-volt motor is powerful and reliable. There is a rubber dampener inside its gear wheel for smooth movement and to soften any contact with an obstruction. The square section post is rigid and strong. You can even mount a bracket directly to it. It comes in 3 colours. Or choose your own and we will powder coat it for you. To allow for custom painting or resizing, we can deliver it unassembled. Standard height is 1250mm, but a taller post is also available. Both can be cut down to a minimum height of 800mm. The most common opening sequences are pre-programmed. Partial opening can be used with any of these modes for convenient access or to control entry. The emergency release system is very easy to use. Simply open the housing and swing the handle downwards to disengage the drive mechanism. For added safety, an optional light barrier can be fitted. A host of special features can customise your gate. The SP900 is designed to make installation as quick and as simple as possible. An optional levelling plate adjusts for uneven ground. The drive wheel height can be adjusted by up to 200mm. Magnetic limit switches are easy to fit and to fine-tune. Connection is simple, with colour-coded leads and plugs. A single dip switch assigns left or right gate opening. Rotary dials are used instead of toggle switches for fine adjustment. Weight parameters can be set quickly and accurately, and automatic closing settings set with the turn of a dial. A fitted plug allows installers to set up and test the operator before the electrician connects mains power. Once connected, the SP900 uses very little power. And for future peace of mind, there is a connection for an emergency battery backup system. The new SP900 continues the Sommer tradition of ever better products through intelligent engineering.